Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Pricing Plans and how it can help you. In short, ClickGuard has three main pricing options. The first one, ActiveGUARD, is $59 per month. The second package, called PremiumGUARD, and the price is $79 per month. The last option is EliteGUARD, which is $99 per month. You will get unmatched value for businesses seeking to scale their ROAS and sales 10x. ClickGuard will help you protect your ad spend throughout your journey with price plans for any ad budget. Get set up and see the value of real-time PPC fraud prevention with your free trial. Detect threats. Monitor, detect, and identify threats to your ads. Eliminate waste. Completely get rid of wasteful ad clicks. Boost growth. Focus on quality clicks that convert to ensure growth. ClickGuard Compare Plans. ActiveGUARD. A suite of tools designed for small businesses getting repetitive, fraudulent, or low-value paid traffic from Google Ads campaigns. PremiumGUARD. A perfect combination of protection and optimization tools for all businesses looking to beat competition and maximize their ROAS. EliteGUARD. Unmatched value for businesses seeking to scale their ROAS and sales 10x. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.